Welcome to Shom Machshava on the Daf. Shir sponsor Loinish Pasar Makos Shalom Le'Abbas Yitzchok. We're holding in Makos Daf Gimel. The Gemara with Beis is bringing a lashon that's brought down a few times in Shas. The Gemara says, "Omer leishmuel hamato lo seisiv akarach." Don't sit on your feet until you explain to me the following thing. What is the lashon lo seisiv akarach? So the Ritva over here brings an Rabbeinu Tam that it means don't sit but stand on your feet. As if it's two sentences. Lo seisiv, but remain akarach on your feet. Another explanation the Ritva says, Lo seisiv akarach, don't sit where your feet are standing right now. Meaning, in other words, don't change your position from standing to sitting. And some say, says the Ritva, Lo seisiv akarach, don't sit on your chair. Because karach means lashon kari amito, don't sit there. So we need three different explanations how the words lo seisiv akarach means don't sit down. Says the Aruch Laner, he brings the Ritva and he says, so what's the point not to sit down? So he brings the Gemara in Megillah of Chof Aleph that says that they used to learn always ba'amido. The way learning Torah was standing up. But then they got sick, so they started learning Torah b'yeshiva, miyushav. And the Gemara there brings regarding Moshe Rabbeinu, that it says in one place, it says that he was in the Har Sinai, it says V'eshev Bahar, was sitting in the mountain. And then it says V'anoichi omadati Bahar, standing in the mountain. Was he sitting or standing? Kosher's miyushav rokos mehumad. Something which is hard to understand, he sat down. Something which is easy, which is rach, which is soft, he stood up. So it says the Aruch Laner, that's what he's saying over here. That's what Shmuel is telling to Ramato. I'm not asking you a very difficult question. I'm asking you an easy question. You can answer it while you're standing. It's not when one of the questions that are considered to be kosher, which like today that there's sickness in the world, you have to sit down and learn it. You can answer it while you're standing. It's an easy question to answer. The Ben Yoyado brings in a similar fashion. He says that the Doiris Rishonim, the earlier generations, they used to learn standing. And that's the kavanah of our Gemara. He's telling him, this Shemaitz is so chaviv alai. I like it so much that I want you to explain to me like Torah shel Rishonim, they used to stand. So you should be standing because this is the Torah. I look at this Torah as the Torah of Rishonim, which you learned when they were standing. And he brings, the Mishnah says, Mishem Meisron Gamliel, Batal K'voy Torah, explains Rav Adim Bar Tanura, what does it mean? They used to stand when they were learning, and now they have to sit. And concludes the Ben Yoyada and says, L'toiv yizocher Rabbeinu Achido. I want to remember what happened. We should all remember what the Chido used to do. We used to learn Leil Chag HaShavuos v'Leil Hoshana Rabbah. They used to learn standing the entire night. And in the Agdama of Shulchan Aruch HaRav, it's brought down the Rav Baal HaTanya, used to learn standing as well. Meaning there's a mile of learning when you're standing. We don't have it today, but there is some mile to it. And this is the remez over here, lo seisiv akarach. Anyone who wants to join the Shom Machshava email list to WhatsApp group, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.